In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the XAPOFX1 underscore 5 DLL missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So open any of the browser that you have on your Windows and simply search for Visual C++ redistributable like this one. And then click on it from learn@microsoft.com. Now scroll down and you'll find a download link depending on the architecture of your Windows. So check for your system type. Go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it. You'll find your system type. So just simply download the link that corresponds to that. Once you have downloaded the link, just simply click on the folder icon and then double click on that to install into your Windows. After installing it, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And then you can also reinstall the program that is giving you the error. So if any of the program is giving you the error, then just simply go to the Windows search bar and type appwiz.cpl, hit enter. Locate the program that is giving you the error, right click and then select uninstall. After uninstalling it, simply reinstall that into your Windows. And the last thing that we can do is to update our Windows because updating it comes with the necessary files that we need. So click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and click on check for updates. Okay? That will check for the updates on your Windows. And after updating your Windows, just also consider to restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.